Trending on Procyon Radio and Television with Sarah Agbon. Buhari moves out of official presidential villa, gets new residence. The president, Muhammadu Buhari, has moved into the glass house. This is done ahead of the inauguration of President-elect Bola Tinubu come May 29. The governor of Osun State, Adeleke, shows his skills beyond being just the governor, but a football star. President Buhari shares in the joy of Ademola Adeleke of Osun State as he celebrates his 63th birthday. Mother kidnapped her 6-year-old daughter and demands 3 million naira ransom in KANU State. The KANU State Command arrests a 24-year-old woman, Raham Suleiman, for allegedly kidnapping her 6-year-old daughter, Hafsat Kabiru, and demanding 3 million ransom from her ex-husband. The State Commissioner of Police, Muhammadu Hussaini Gumel, disclosed this when he paraded the woman alongside other suspects arrested for various crimes at the police headquarters in Bopai, KANU State. Senator DINO MELAYE meets with ATTAH of IGALA for royal blessing. He is accompanied by a mammoth crowd and faithfuls. OHANAEZE asks Buhari to release NNAMDI KANU. Apex Igbo Social Cultural Organization OHANAEZE in the Igbo has again asked President Muhammadu Buhari to release NNAMDI KANU, the detained leader of the indigenous people of Biafra. Trending on Procyon Radio and Television with Sarah Agbon.